What you saying? Okay, so I waited for a few minutes. People have started coming. Okay, let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the brand new live stream of Zibit.com. I am Yash Pawar. I'm a host at Zibit.com, and Zibit.com is the best beginner friendly crypto exchange app you can ever find in any of our places. Like, you can go to Binance, OKYX, Bybit, and blah blah blah, and you can use their platform, you can use our platform. You will see a difference in it. That's why we are saying that we are the most beginner friendly platform, and plus we are dealing with something which is the most trendiest stuff ever. Like, if you talk about a trend, like if there was some trend which has been followed by millions of people, then that's a crypto trend. Like, see, most of the people are using this trend for getting rich, getting money, getting their Lambos and every of those things. But it's not just about that. It's beyond our imagination, beyond our thinking. I really feel that it's an illusion. Like, something is happening in the back end and we are just focusing on the hand, but the trick is happening actually somewhere else, which that's what I feel. But yeah, money is possible. lot of profit is possible. Like it's, I found a very simple thing. If you want to blind anybody, if you don't want a person to see anything which you don't want them to see, then it's like you show them money. Money can make people blind. Money can make people focus in just one stuff other than anything. So that's what I'm feeling about cryptocurrency as well. That it's just focused right now, focused on money, profits, a lot of crazy money, like, and that too on something which is not even real. Real as in which you cannot feel, you cannot touch. Okay, it is a digital currency, mind, and God knows what future we hold for the like crypto. Like for us, I'm talking about, like for us citizens, how we can use it, how you can utilize it. For the bigger people, yeah, they are using, they are utilizing as well. But for us, other than money, what else do we have for Bitcoin? What else do we have for the cryptocurrency to utilize for us? That is a mystery which will be solved in the far most future. Because I told you, see, one thing is very, very clear, that digital currency is not gonna stop. Digital currency is gonna boom, it's gonna go, and it is the most highest technology in the finance sector we are having right now, and it is not gonna shut down very easily. And it is never, I don't even think so, it is never gonna shut down. In the far most future, we may can see this as the next phase of the currency, next phase of the finance sector and every of those things. Because for so long actually, and we actually needed this, for so long we were trying to find some new thing. Like we were bored with the traditional way of doing everything. Traditional way of doing finance, traditional way of doing investment, traditional way of earning money, everything. Now it is completely changed. Most of the people, like, not, I won't say most, see, more, maximum majority of the people are still the salaried person. They still go to work, they earn money monthly wise and whatever. But most of the now culture is going on that we, like, the people who are coming, being born after 2000 and blah, they are not, they are very carefree, fearless people. They don't have those like fear according to the society, for society. They don't have fear for responsibilities, they don't have fear for anything. They are fearless people. They are not caring about the salaried person, they are more caring about the passion, which it should be, which it should be. You should care about your passion, you should care about what you love, what you like to do. And most of the people are shifting, and how they are earning that. If they are not doing a salaried job, they are not that much interested in the salaried job where they can earn monthly money. They are not going to corporates, they are not doing 9 to 5. Then what else they are doing? How they are earning? See, it's a best way. If you want to be free in any aspect, like if you want to free from your office, free from your career, free from your life, free from the responsibility, free from X, free from Y, free from Z, then you have to add one financially freedom thing. Because financially freedom gives you the far most better freedom which nobody can ever give you. Why? Because at the end, why we work? Money. At the end, why we need success? Money. Like for most of the majority of people I'm talking about. Not every people goes for the money, because some people are like very passionate. They are very into their showing their art. They love art. They don't care much about the money, but much about the art. There are people like that only. I'm not saying that there are not, but majority of the people I'm talking about. Majority of the people do what? They are here to earn money. And they have seen this one very specific thing, that money can solve everything for them. To add a financially freedom in your life, you require a very good source of passive income, or primary income, or secondary income. Doesn't matter whatever income it is. But if you are in the right now period I'm talking about, like, see, obviously you can't, this world is so fast moving that you cannot actually stop at one place. Stop at one place means, like, whatever you are doing right now, you cannot just quit it and stand in one still place. The whole world will move forward, and then you will feel like I am actually getting more back and they are a lot ahead. Okay, but adding a passive income is a way, for a very easiest way for you to have a financial freedom. I'm not saying that you should make trading as your primary source, like the the most like the where your money comes from, exactly the place, the first source of income should not be trading. I am not suggesting that thing for you, because it requires time, it requires patience, it requires the mental build up, it requires the mental psychology build up and every of those stuffs. Okay, it cannot happen like you quit today and then you vanished for 3 to 4 months and you come back. Because even if you learn a lot about trading, a lot, there's still, you cannot fight the system at the end, because even the market has one system, even the market has like huge power where they can overthrow, throw, make you king, make you destroy, anything they can do, because it's a very unpredictable place. And far most thing, rather than being an unpredictable place, what is it? It is that how can I explain you that? Like if you go to your relative house, you cannot make that house yours. Very easy and simple example. You will be guest over here. Like, they have the power to feed you, they have the power to take you out, they have a power to give you entertainment, they have a power to make you sad and blah 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 blah. Because you are a guest and you can't even say. You don't have a choice other than leaving. Same way market can never be your home. Market can never be something which you can conquer or something like that. Okay, it will always be a guest house, it will always be a relative's house where you can just go have fun and come back. Okay, that's the how market works. Why it is very unpredictable? Because you will never know what the next moment they will make you happen. It can be, let's say like tomorrow the whole market crash. Are they gonna tell you that? No. They might tell you that, bro, there is such a good thing, you should invest a lot, and they will take care. They will, when you invest, like we have seen so many fake schemes happening in the market as well, like related to the meme coin the most, because when the meme coin came, a lot of plump and dumb scheme happening, like presidential or the big influential people, they are posting their in Twitter, their X platform, their Instagram or whatever social media, or giving like some bites to the news reporter, everything, that this is very good, this is gonna be the next, this is gonna be next. Now with those things, people will obviously, if anybody hears one thing, because see, nowadays what is happening, as the Bitcoin has shined the way, shined like a shooting, like not even a shooting star, like from a coal it has become a diamond kind of stuff. Like everybody was not focusing on Bitcoin at the first, and they regretted the most that they were not focusing after it passed away, after it came to that level like 90k, 80k, 100k, 120k. At that time they regret each and single day, because like I told you in 2 to 3 streams ago as well, like in our life every time there was one person, one video or one influential whatever, like in whatever way Bitcoin reached you, it reached you. You cannot deny the fact that Bitcoin never reached to me in any way. I'm not saying that Bitcoin like the employees came to UK like, sir, do the money. No, I'm not talking about that. But in any aspect, like it may be the YouTube video, it may be the social media reel, it may be some of your friend, it may be the friends of friend, it may be some people who came for a demonstration, like a demonstration of the Web3. This is this is that, and at that time we were not giving that much attention to it, which where we should have done, which we regret a lot. And that regret is right now why we get stuck in the plump and dumb skin. Why? Because our mind is built in this way, like now I don't have to lose an opportunity. Anywhere where you see, like in digital currency, it's not just like that thing. Like for example, let's say some XYZ coin which just came, or it's in a pre-sale era, like pre-sale. Okay, if it is just came, it's in a pre-sale era, rather than doing any research about it, like why this coin was made, is there any uses of this coin, is there any utility of the coin? Because at the end, digital currency is not here to just provide you money and just to make you rich. They are here for some better goal, better future goal, which we don't understand. The common people, they just see Bitcoin as a like diamond, ruby or something like that, where it's just like a biggest jewel earth has ever mined, and we should put our money into it and it will make us rich. It's not that. It has a bigger utility. It has a bigger like let's say in the technology wise, if you talk about, it is giving a freedom which is the most important priority of each and every single person. Freedom can be, it's not like freedom doesn't mean that you are free to walk, you're free to talk, you're free to say anything, you're free to say your opinion, you are free to wear whatever you want, or you are free to do whatever whatever work you feel like. That's not a freedom I'm talking about. Freedom from the one, like for example, even if you consider right now time, all the citizens, they feel like, I'm telling you, like we are in a dome. Okay, we are in one dome, there are people downstairs, and there is a one dome above us, and there are people above us who are watching us, controlling us, making rules for us, making rules, regulations, everything for us. We have to pay them, we have to give taxes to them, we have to do work for them, we have to do XYZ, 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 they think for them. For return, what they give us, they may give us protection. I'm not denying it. I'm not denying that countries, presidential governments are not doing anything. They do. But most of the people, they don't think and they feel in this way, that we are actually being, most of the people feel like we are actually being controlled in any ways, like what we eat, what we talk, what we do, what we think, blah, 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 XYZ. Now, when the digital currency came, it was a revolutionary thing about from the finance, because this is that money which cannot be controlled from the government, which doesn't have any middle person like banks, which can track us, which can keep an eye on us, which can take our money and invest it somewhere. Like I told you, what bank does. Bank is simply when you are having a lot of money over there. How does a bank earn money? Is it just a very big, huge locker? They have kept it for zero interest, and they are not asking anything like, we are here just for the citizens. We love citizens. We love their money. No, it's not for that. Okay, the bank take your money and they invest it somewhere like mutual, hedge fund, blah 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 stuff. Okay, that is their profit, huge, and for us they give the little one. The same way, when the digital currency came, now this currency is not gonna be collected in a very huge quantity and invested somewhere. It's your money, it's transparent, and you can see where it is going, how it is going, and everything, because of the blockchain system. Okay, now, if something which is not controlled, freedom was one of the aspect of the digital currency. Not denying it, freedom was one of the aspect of the digital currency. But is it just that? No. There is something very huge cooking which we are not able to see, which people are not able to see. They just think it's like a lucky draw lottery kind of stuff. Like you put your money and you wait for 5 to 6 years, and after that it may boost and it will make us rich, like a lottery, like a very huge gamble kind of stuff. But now it's more huge than that people are not understanding. So whenever, that's why the plump and dump scheme came for the meme coin, because now people are eagerly just putting their money, like, okay, I have money, this is very cheap, I'll buy 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh purchase of these coins, and even if it touches $1, I'll be having $1 lakh, because I bought it. I bought it in 0.000 something. I invested just very little money to get 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh coins of this XYZ, and if it touches just $1, I'll be having so much money. Yeah. So in this, what is happening? The meme coin has become the most trendy thing, because yes, no doubt, people made money. No doubt. I'm not saying that there is a doubt in it. People made money, but a lot of people got scammed. Very less people's story we hear that they made money from the meme coins, because meme coins, they don't have fundamentals. They're just here to fun. They are just here for fun. They were mined for no reason, just to like carry on the trend, make, or maybe, I don't know, but maybe it's just for black to white. Maybe, because what is fundamental in the meme coins? Why they are here? What is the utility of them? None. What advantage are they bringing to the technology? None. Then what? So this plump and dump scheme, where a lot of coins, where people eagerly put their money because they might thought they thought that Bitcoin can be like, this coin can be like Bitcoin, like the next gen, and I should be there. I should be there first to buy it so that I can take advantage in the future, right? That's the exact thing what corporate people are doing. We do in something, the normal people, the normal investor, they are doing it in something which is very, very, very cheap because we don't have investment. Correct. We are doing in something very cheap, putting our money, forgetting about it in 5 to 6 years because we want to be early in the line to have an advantage, to not to regret that at that time it was happening and now we are too late for that. Same like what everybody feels for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and blah blah stuff. Okay, a lot of people feel the same for those. Yeah, at that time I should have done it. So now everybody wants to be early in the line. They want to be the first, the top 10, the top 20, the top 30, the earliest people. No, that's the exact thing which I am telling to you all people. Buying the coins which are cheap, it's not a bad thing. I'm not denying it that they are having potential. But who is having the potential? Which coins are having the potential? Which coins are actually gonna grow and which coins are gonna get stumped? We don't know. That's why rather than just blindly putting your money, I'll give you one very specific trick for it. You can just in trading view, there is one thing. Okay. If you just search for what was that 50 weeks 50 week 52 week, sorry, not 50, 52 week 52 week high low. I want trading view only because it's very simple in trading view and we all love trading view. Okay, so you can simply just go to trading view, tap on it, because I really feel like we should follow what corporate people are doing, because as a same exact thing corporate people are not doing this for having a short-term fun. Okay, and same a lot of people who are investing in the small coins to think that we can have an early advantage. If the coin goes $1, $2, $3 or even reached $10, then we are gonna be the rich millionaire, billionaire and blah 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 stuffs. Okay, so whenever you are searching some such kind of coin which is very $52 week high low, bro. Where is it? 52 week high. Okay. So you can just go to the crypto market coin and you can search such kind of data like, okay, there are all coin, total value coin, DeFi coin, gainer, loser, large cap, small cap, traded, most address with the balance, most daily active addresses, most transaction, highest transaction volume, lowest supply, highest supply, most expensive, most volatile, development activity, all time high, all time low, 52 week high and 52 week low. These all are very useful. Okay, if you click any of these things, what I will tell you which ones are the most useful for it, for you to have, because we should follow what corporate people are doing. Corporate people have huge money, so they are doing with Bitcoin. Obviously we don't have corporate people's kind of money, like we don't have institutional money, very wealthiest people, we don't have, not everybody has money. So what we can do, we should follow the same exactly thing what corporate people are doing, institution people are doing, huge people are doing, most like the wealthiest financial sector are doing. They are holding Bitcoin for the highest future returns and highest future value, because they don't consider Bitcoin just for money. We consider, because our priority is money. They already have money, so their priority is not money. Very simple, very clear. If I am already having, I'm a billionaire, my priority is not money. They are billionaire already. Why are they investing in the crypto? Why are they holding so much of Bitcoin? Is it just for money? I don't think so. Because their priority is not money. They have it. They have huge amount of money. Then why? Then why they are still holding? They took all these stocks and blah. Now people will say like it's their passive income of source. I don't think so. Passive income source can be anything, not investment, because investment for them, investment won't, like trading won't give them that good value or interest which other thing can. If for example, I will just say, okay, just think for a 1 second that you are an institutional guy, you are a wealthiest guy already has a lot of businesses, a lot of other stuffs where he can launder his money, where he can make money and all of the stuffs. If I give you 5, you are a owner of almost, let's say, $100 million company you are sitting on. You are already having so good of amount of money. And you already have the CA teams, your financial team, which is telling you every day, like you should do this, you should do that, this will increase and blah, 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 stuff. Now, for a guy who is already sitting on such a huge wealth, trading is not going to give him a very good return. Because he already has so much. He has that much that he don't know where to do it. That's why they find a way to make, they create some company, they create some brand to launder their money. Okay, to make it go in this one place, because I have so much, I have to invest somewhere. Trading is not a very good for them, because if you look at the aspect of the trading here, if you invest something, you are getting it in maybe double, maybe triple. Got it? That's what trading is for us. In a high, if you, that return can be anything. Okay, it can be in a short term, it can be in a long term, it can be in a very, very, very long term, but at the end, your investment is gonna be double, triple, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, depending on whatever the market is, right? And if you have that wealthiest kind of people, even if you trade on one single candle, it will just, for example, if you have take an order of, let's say, 1 million. Even if that one candle shifts a little, that is going to become 1.5 million. Because of the highest investment you do, it is going to get double, triple, 4 times like a finger snap. Now they are not here for money, because they want some places where they can actually get relieved with some money. They have that much that they want to put away money a little. Like, I cannot handle this much. They are not here for money. They are here for the future utility, for the future technology. They are here, like, they are not buying like Bitcoin for right now investment. They are buying it for the farmost future. Why? Why on something which you cannot see, which you cannot touch, which you cannot have, and which is not even having any utility for us right now time I'm talking about. For right now time, what is the utility of any of the cryptocurrencies? Nothing. For right now time I'm talking about. Is there any country utilizing Bitcoin as some technology? No. Is there any corporate people who are using the cryptocurrency as a technology? No. Is there any country which is using it for some like very beneficial, other than Russia, because Russia didn't had an option. Okay. Because at the time of war, nobody, not a government, not the bank, were trying to be the middle person for them. And at the end, even if your country is at a war, you need to feed your people, you need to feed the country, you need to grow the country. The trade cannot stop. Even if anything is going on in your country, the war, civil war, doesn't matter. The country should always be moving forward. Life goes on. Simple. So in that situation, he needs to trade. Even if the whole country is at the war, he still has to trade. He still has to bring, import, export something from his country. They might need the food grains. They want to sell the food grains, get it inside, get outside, and whatever. Because at the end, the military is at the war, not the citizen. What the citizen are doing? The citizen are living the normal life. Going to the office, coming back to office, they need food, they need this, they need that, they need this. Then the country needs to take care. Now, at the time where none of the bank, none of the government, none of the people were supporting Russia, because okay, whatever is his ideology, I am not here to just like throw opinions on his ideology that he was right, he was wrong, and blah. Leave that. None of people were there. He found the best way. That cryptocurrency is the one. Even if nobody is there with me, I can still deal with cryptocurrency, because I don't need anybody for the cryptocurrency, nor a government, nor the bank. I don't need anybody. It's just one person to another person transaction. You can see it. You can like see what I'm doing with that money and every of those stuffs, but you cannot say to me like, what? Why you did? Nobody can say. Other than that, what else is the utilization of the digital currency right now? What else? Do you think of any way like this is making our future so brighter, other than money, other than getting your mansions, other than getting your Lambos, other than getting your everything, whatever you like, the ice cubes, chains, and blah 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 stuff? Other than that, what do you think it is the utility of a cryptocurrency right now? None. Then why corporate people are investing into it? Why? A very big question. Why? They already have money. They are not here for money. This time, in the real present time, we are not even having a utilization of digital currency. None. Just for freedom's sake? Just for freedom's sake? No. We should. So that's the way how you should look at the digital currency. Rather than blindly like you are just closing your eyes. Okay, I really feel that this is that roulette. 25 black is gonna be one. I'm gonna put every of my money on there, and once the 25 black comes in maybe 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 week, 10 week, 10 year, 20 year, and I am gonna be the millionaire, I am gonna be the billionaire. You should not do that. Rather than that, the same way what corporate people does, they go by the research. They don't go by like, okay, this is the cheapest, I should buy it. This is that, I should get it. This is that, I should get it. No. Rather than that, whenever you are starting to invest in any of the cryptocurrency, try to find these three things. Is why this cryptocurrency was made. Because see, every cryptocurrency has a reason to be made. For example, Bitcoin was made because it's a firstborn baby kind of structure. Okay. Now, in the firstborn baby, there were some backdraws which Ethereum solved. In Ethereum, we saw some backdraws which Solana and other currencies saw, other cryptocurrencies solved. They were made because of like to make it more faster, to make it more easy, to have the less transaction fees and blah 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 blah. Everything, like whenever you see a cryptocurrency, first cryptocurrency, any backdrop, like anything which can affect the future in a very like negative impact, next coin is created for solving that negative impact. If we see something here, the next coin is created for solving that thing. It is a chain. It's a chain which we are having. Any problem which we see in first to 3 to 4 to 5, the next coin will be made for utilizing or for helping that other thing. Okay. Now, whenever in the 52 week, where is it? 52 week high, 52 week low, it's not gonna tell you which is the most useful, which is the most that and blah and blah. It is not gonna tell you that. Okay. It is just gonna show you the money. Like how much money it is having, how much this, how much that, how much this, how much that. But 52 week high and 52 week low, what does it mean? 52 week high, 52 week low means one very simple thing, that 52 week is actually an year, a whole year, which is that coin which was successful, profitable in the whole year, and which was that coin which was 52 week low. In the whole year it did nothing. Now the retailers mentality will go for that. I should go for the 52-week low because it is at the deepest. The market is dipping right now. It has the cheapest price and I should get it maybe the next year. But who is giving you guarantee that it is gonna be in the next year it is gonna be a 50-week high? In the next year it's gonna be profitable. In the next month it's gonna be profitable. Who is giving you the guarantee for that? None. It's a very simple example. Like if you go to see a horse racing, you won't put your money on that horse which is losing for 10 matches it has lost. There is one horse which has lost for 10 matches, 10 race that horse did, and it came last. And now there is another horse. He's consistently coming into top 3. Top 4, top 5, top 2 or first. Most of the people will put their money on the top, which is consistently giving you the good result, which is consistently winning the race, rather than putting your money on someone who is consistently coming the last, obviously. So why the retailers have this mentality that they want to invest in something very cheap? But if that market is falling, the market is not doing anything profitable, then why you need to invest in that? You won't invest in a horse which is not like winning any races. You will put the money on the horse which is winning the race, 52-week high. Okay, now when you spot 52-week high, whatever you feel like, okay, this is actually at 0.6 maybe, and it's also having a lot of profits like 16%, this percent, that percent. You can check its volume, the circuit, the circulation circuit, and blah 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 blah. Every aspect you go for, like how much coins are there, how many coins are there to supply, how many is already supplied, how many is in the demand, is the demand increasing, not increasing, what are the transaction in it, how many money is how many, where is it, valuation of performance, how many money it is like having. Money having means like how many inflows, how many outflows the market is having, and every of those things. And then after you picked 1, 2, 3, top 5, top 10, top 20, whatever you pick, from there just try to do some research of that coin. Why this coin was made, what was the need of this coin, on what blockchain this coin is, what utility this coin is offering to us, why this coin is made. Check the roadmap basically, what they are, why they are here, why this coin was meant, and what is a straight roadmap for them to have a very good future. If in every aspect you feel like, I feel like this coin is very useful in the future, not in the term of money, okay. If you go for just money, then you can be stuck in the plump and dump scheme, the same way which meme coin did. Like the government came, they gave you like, bro, this coin, I'm investing in this coin, this is Argentina's coin, this coin, presidential prime minister, they are posting it in their X platform, and people are buying it, and the next day the market falls, your money gone. Rather than having that plump and dump scheme, stop looking at the coins as in they are just a money mining machine. They are not jewels, they are not elements like gold and blah. They are a technology, and technology is not a showcase. Technology is always, if there was some new technology came to the market, there was some new technology got invented, they are there for some purpose. Not a single technology is here to just be like, I am a showcase, see me, watch me, have me, and you can go home. No. Every technology is there for a utility, for a purpose, for a greater purpose, weaker purpose, that doesn't matter. But it is for purpose. It is not a showcase. Okay. So whenever you are seeing any, like this is the best way of you to invest in any of the digital currency I'm talking about. Rather than looking at it just like, okay, this is a money thing. Rather than looking at it as this is money, It is just a way for me to get rich and blah. Start checking out their utility, because checking out the utility, checking out the roadmap, checking out what purpose it hold can give you a very clear idea if that coin is actually gonna touch $1 or not. Okay, got it. So 52-week high will give you all those coins, which is like doing great since the whole 1 year. 52-week high. Okay, 36%. 1 week was 233. 1 month was 12,000. 3 month was 26,000% high, and blah 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 blah. Everything they are giving you, everything detail. Every detail they are giving you. Okay, like how this coin is performed, how many inflows this have. You can also check for the highest transaction volume candle, coins. Okay, you can find the cheapest from them. You can see not just like Bitcoin. See, there are Bitcoin, there are Ethereum, blah 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 stuff. But other than that, there are so many other things as well which is doing great and which we are not looking at. Okay. Then there is lowest supply and highest supply. Now, what do you mean by supply? And what do you mean by lowest supply? And then tell me what you mean by highest supply. Supply is like, for example, if something is being sold a lot, then you require a lot of supplies for that, because it is being sold a lot. People are demanding it and they need it, and we have to increase our supply, right? Lowest supply is like the coins which are needing the least supply. People are not giving any high attention to it. People are not looking for to have it. There are no demand increasing for it. The normal average people are buying it. Highest supply are those which is required, which is getting sold the time the market comes, and again it is getting made, again getting sold, again getting made, again getting sold. So always go for highest supply. Because lowest supplies are something like which is not right now like in need of the market, which is not right now in the like what you can say is like nobody's demanding it. For example, let's say in the Diwali time, no, let's not talk about Diwali because it might be some irrelatable for a lot of people. Some common idea, some common reference which everybody can understand. I guess I think Diwali was better. So in Diwali, yeah, Diwali is better. I feel Diwali is better. In Diwali, a lot of firecrackers are there. Different types, 7 shot, 8 shot, 10 shot, 100 shot, 200 shot, and blah blah blah. When 7 shot came, it used to go skies, and 7 time it shoots itself, like very good blast, like sparkling thing and blah 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 stuff. Now, the next Diwali, someone overtook the 7 shot, and the demand of the 7 shot very less. Why? Because someone very better version came into the market. So supply of the 7 shot, which was huge, because they thought that this next like previous Diwali it was the huge for every of those people. But now everybody is buying 100 shots, 200 shots, 500 shots, and blah 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 stuff. 700 shots, supply became down, demand became down, supply became down, and lost its value. Supply came for which? Supply came for that one thing which is like the most demandable, like which is getting sold the most. People started making it again, not the 7 shot. Okay, so always whenever, this is the trick I told you, how you can actually get safe from the plump and dump scheme. Or if any company, any like influential guy or anybody is telling you that this is that coin, this is that coin, put your money blindly in it and blah 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 stuff, Rather than doing it, you can actually come see everything, every data, every research is in front of you. It's not something like you don't know, you can't see, you can't have, or something. Everything is right in front of you. Just little effort is required for you. If you are eagerly saying that I want to be rich, I want to be this, I want to buy this, I want to buy this, for that thing you can put this much investment in putting efforts of finding out what is it and blah. Okay, stop looking at the digital currency as it's a money making thing. It is not. It is right now. Why? Because trend, people are following the trend, and you know trend comes and trend goes. Okay, and rather than being getting stuck in plump and dumb scheme, the best way you can do is come to the trading view platform or whatever platform which can tell you regarding such stuffs. Most address with balance, most active, 52-week high, 52-week low, which can give you an idea about what a market is, what the market, you can find out the top 10, top 20, top 30, and from there then divide your research and why this coin was made. Everything is there. Okay, nothing is hidden from you. It just you have to find it out, those things, why this coin was made, the best utility of this coin, the best future reference of this coins, and blah 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 thing, everything. If you find that this is that one coin, I feel like this is gonna boom in the future, then invest. Rather than blindly investing any of those platform, any of those coin, then you can start doing your research, because research is very necessary for all of those people to have a proper money. Okay, not any coin can become, not every coin is gonna become the Bitcoin, not every coin is gonna become Ethereum, not every coin is gonna be XRP and blah 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 stuff. So why Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most trustworthy or top 1, top 2? Because utility, basic, their utility for the future is very great. Okay, it's not just like people have made them a king without even having anything. Okay, it's not like corporate people are investing just because they are the most advanced thing and blah. See, I'll give you one gist of it. Okay, corporate people can also do the same exact thing. Like they can invest in the meme coin or some coins which are like 0.0001. They have more money than you. They can buy billions of that coins and just wait for the coin to touch $1. They can have 1 billion like this. They don't even have to wait for it to become $10, 100k, 80k. No? They can just put something in the most cheapest coin ever and just wait for it to become $1. No. They are just doing it for the Bitcoin, Ethereum. Why? Because the highest utility is there. They are not here just for money. Understand this fact and start thinking like a institutional, corporate, and the wealthiest people, because those are actually the one which is sitting at there where we want. They didn't sat over there just having a money-minded thing, like money. Rather than money. They thought purpose. It's an illusion which is right in front of us, that cryptocurrency, digital currency is just money. No, it is not. It is far more greater than money. Far more greater. We should start looking at it as a futuristic technology rather than looking at it as just a money making coin or money making stuff. Okay. Understand this point. A whole US government has made a Bitcoin reserve. Is it for just to increase the value of the country's economy? They are top 10, not top. They come in top 3. Top 3. Like if I just go which country has a highest economic rate or GDP or whatever stuff, US will become there. Then why is the need of creating a Bitcoin reserve in your country? Why you are selling the gold reserve just to buy what? The Bitcoin. A whole government won't just come here just for sake of money. I don't feel so. I don't think so. I don't feel it. Okay. That everybody is just gonna come here for the sake of money. Not possible. Okay, so in my live comment section, I have uploaded one link for all of you people. Now, I've motivated you so much regarding the digital currency. I've given you a clearer picture how you can actually look at the Bitcoin, how you can actually look at um the way you look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all the digital currency. It should be changed according to the richer people, because they are smarter than us. That's why they are sitting over there. It's not like they just made one magical wand and they are sitting there. No, they saw something which we couldn't see. They saw something which they can see and we couldn't see. Okay, so rather than still getting stuck with our retailers mentality, a retail investor mentality, we should change our mentality toward and make it like them. Make it like the way they think, they talk, they see the future, which we cannot see, and every of those stuffs. Okay, we should go for that rather than just going for rather than just going for money. Cool. Now, Zibit is offering you that same exact coin which you need, which you want, which you are craving for, which you need very, very badly to be rich, to be millionaire and blah. But obviously we won't be giving you that huge quantity that can make you millionaire, billionaire in one day. But maybe in the far most future, who knows. So what is Zibit doing? You all know Zibit is a crypto exchange platform and every of those things. Every of other platform was giving you a deposit amount, so that take this money, do the trading, come here, we'll give you money for the free. You can trade in our platform, nobody's gonna ask you anything, nobody's gonna talk about anything. But we thought of something very greater. If your end goal, if your result is digital currency, then why don't we just give it to you rather than give you a deposit money, because there is a chance that you might get it or you might not get it, right? The other company people, what they do is the Binance, okay, Visa, blah 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 people, they give you some XYZ deposit money, 500, $150, blah 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 stuff. They give you that, yaar, take this money from us. It's a bonus. You cannot take it out from your bank, but you can trade with it. Now for the trade, they have there are risk. Is it gonna happen or is it not gonna happen? Risk, right? But what we are giving you, a risk-free, your end goal, your end result, free of cost, no terms and no conditions. Just, yeah, there is one condition, that you need to take first trade in our platform. Now, it might sound like you are asking trade, I don't know trading and blah blah stuff. This live stream is for you to learn trading. This live stream is for you to have a market insight, to learn about market, to learn about charts, to learn about how the way you see the market and every of this. This live stream is about everything. This live stream is not just about me motivating you, me promoting this brand and blah blah stuff. Okay, this live stream is beyond that level. Okay, I have helped a lot of people from the exact scratch of learning and watching the market and having the basic fundamentals of the market. Don't look, even the market should not be looked as like, okay, this is my market. This is someone else's market. Someone else is controlling it. We are just a puppeteer over here. Anytime we can be thrown from the highest mountain, and anytime that highest mountain can reach and make the another highest mountain. Okay, they can make us king, they can drop us like a slave as well. It's up to them. But let's not talk about that. That's a different conversation. So Zbit is offering you a free cryptocurrency which you need, and that's what, like, for doing a trading, what you are just trying to buy some XYZ coin. You are trying to buy some XYZ coin. You are trying to buy or get in your hand with the cryptocurrency, right? Now, I will show you something, our website, and you can see something over there. Rather than talking about it, I can show you. See, this is login sign up. If I go on sign up, can you see worth over 1,200 bonus for new users? This 1,200 is not a deposit money. What is it? Get a first crypto asset at zbit.com, and this is all the coins which from this one of the coin you will be getting. Okay, not everything you will be getting, obviously. It's a free spin. In that free spin, there is Bitcoin as well. In that free spin, there is Ethereum as well. In that free spin, there is XRP as well. In that free spin, there is Solana as well. In that free spin, there is Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu, and every of those coins as well. Now, isn't it the most intriguing thing that how a company is offering you and giving you a free cryptocurrency, which is an end goal of all the users. At the end, we want to get in hold with this cryptocurrency, which is booming, which everybody is trying that I should have it. And now finally, there is one app for all of the people, for all the new users. There is no conditions to it. Okay, there is no condition for the new user. Anybody can become a new user, and they can get a hold into our first ever cryptocurrency. They can get your hold in your first ever cryptocurrency asset in your hand. Okay, in your hand, you can have it very easily, very simple. Just have to take the first trade in our platform. Now, there are some steps which you need to do, which you need to focus. Now, what are those? Let's talk about it. First thing, create your account. Obviously, other than if you don't create your account, how are you gonna trade? Create your account, put your country code, XYZ, whatever. You are from India, you are from this, you are from that, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't matter. Wherever you are from, put it over there. Email, create your own password, keep it safe because you are having the most valuable asset in your money, in your account. So it needs to be safe. Create password, strong password. After that, invite code. Okay, in invite code, you just have to in my live comment section also, you can see my invite code, and here also I'm typing EQEAG. Now, why is there need of my invite code? Are you gonna get 10% off? Are you gonna get 20% off? Are you gonna get 30% off? Are you gonna get 50% off? No. Rather than giving you any percent off, I am giving you something which is more valuable than 10%, 50%, 60%, 80%, 90% off. What is that? An opportunity for you. What is that opportunity? In the free spin, okay, in that free spin, you are gonna get 8 coin as an option. But for those people who are not putting my invite code, the option will be only for 4. That is meme coins, Doge, Pepe, Shiba Inu or something. If you put my invite code, then you will be getting all 8 as an option. You might be getting a chance to win Bitcoin as well, Ethereum as well, Solana as well, XRP as well, which are booming right now. I have already told you that this XRP is getting one of the most highest interest right now from the institution, from the corporate. Why? Because they are opening the ETF. I have told you this one thing yesterday, I guess, corporate people, they don't invest in some apps. Okay, the institutional people, the most wealthiest people, they don't come to the platforms like Binance, like OKYX. Even in our platform, they don't come in any of the small platforms. Okay, they go to the ETF. That's why BlackRock CEO, the wealthiest financial platform, rather than making any app of crypto exchange platform, come here, trade here, no. They did what? They made ETF because they know one very specific thing, that the corporates, institutional people, wealthiest people, governments, they don't go to platforms to invest. They go to ETF. right? Now XRP is creating its own ETF for spot and for the future. ETF means one and very simple thing: attention of institutional people, wealthiest people and all, and they will thrive to buy it. Why? Because XRP is actually at $3, just $3. All-time high it has reached 3.4. It was something. After that, if there is one coin, if there is something which is like for institutional people, I'm talking about in the perspective of institutional people, if you see that they are buying bitcoins in thousands, 10,000, 15,000, 2,000, in thousands they are buying. They have that huge amount of money. Just imagine, in their perspective, what is XRP for them? The most cheapest ETF investment they can have at right now time. The most cheapest. But if you see any institutional people putting their money in XRP, obviously the value is going to increase. So the all-time high is going to be shift from 3.4 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10. Such kind of growth we will see if the institutional people are pouring their money into the XRP. But the time you see that institutional people are actually putting their money in XRP, you should put as well. Why? I've given you one and very simple perspective. Try to put your step into their shoes. You are already the richest person. You are not here for the money. You are here for the future. You are here for the future utility. You are here to stand ahead in the line. Okay. So if corporate, institutional people are backing up their asset, their property with XRP, then they see a very great, very huge fundamental asset, fundamental whatever thing on the XRP. Rather than seeing money, because they already have it. Why will they go? Why will they run for money? Just think about that situation. Okay, so such kind of coins we are offering you free of cost. You just have to take first trade in our platform, and there is no conditions on the trade. Like you have to hold it for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 5 week. You have to do in spot. You have to do in future. Nah, you can do whatever you can do. If you want to just take a trade for 5 minutes for one candle, fine by me. If you want to just click on buy and then click on exit, fine by me. Okay, so just put my invite code. Then you will be getting a chance to have an option for all 8. It will include XRP, it will include Bitcoin, it will include Ethereum, it will include Solana as well. If you don't put my invite code, then you might not get it. Then you might only just get the option for the 4 meme coins, which is, as you know, meme coins is not having that great fundamental values. Maybe in the far most future it can touch $1, maybe, but right now, I don't think so. Okay, so for this one very specific reason, put my invite code and get a chance to win from all 8. You might get a chance to win Bitcoin as well. You might get a chance to win XRP as well. Having XRP right now the cheapest price, maybe after 1 to 2 years, we might see XRP at 20, 30, in hundreds, in 200s, in 300. Who knows? The same way we saw Solana. Solana didn't came in the market being at 100. Okay. It was a journey of Solana as well. Starting from 0.00000 something, now reaching to 160, 170, 180. It is a journey. Same way we may see XRP can have its journey. Okay. So, first step, registration, create your account, and then just get your free spin and have in your hand your first ever crypto asset. But not in your wallet. You can have it, but not in your wallet right now. Because I told you the condition for getting a first ever crypto asset from Zbit is to take a first trade. You just created account. There are two more steps remaining and 2 more rewards are remaining for you. This is not the only thing we are offering. There are some much more greater thing we are offering to all of you people. Now, the second step after this, the second step will become is KYC. Obviously, you need to verify yourself. We don't trust you. Very frank, we don't trust. We should not trust on anything in the finance. You don't trust your friends when it comes to giving money, lending money, and blah blah thing. And now if you just imagine a total stranger come on a platform and doing something, how can we trust? We cannot. So what you need to do? You need to do KYC. KYC is basically identification proof of identity. Like, see, this is me, this is my identity, I'm a genuine person and I'm here. I'm not any fake person, not scammer, not hacker, which is here to like sabotage your app or something. Okay, not here for forgery, not here for fraud and any of the stuffs. That gives us satisfaction that yes, a genuine person has entered in our platform and we are welcomed for you. And for that thing, we'll give you a chance. Now this chance is 50-50. Some people will get it, some people will not get it. What is this reward? This reward is called as double bonus reward. Now what is double bonus reward? What do you understand by the double bonus? Double the bonus. What is the bonus exhibit? Crypto asset. Correct? Now double bonus. Double crypto, double the quantity, double the profit. Exactly. We are offering you a chance to make any of this. You can see quantity at our platform. Bitcoin 0.001, XRP is 0.1, Ethereum 0.001, Solana is 0.1, Doge is 1, Pepe is 1,000, some mysterious thing, and then Shiba Inu is 10,000. Right? Now, you will get a chance if half people will get it, half people won't get it. I'm just telling you in upfront that it's a 50-50 chance for making your reward double. Making your reward double means very simple thing. Whatever quantity you will be getting, it will be multiplied by twice. Okay. By just verifying yourself that you are a genuine person, you are getting a chance to multiply your Solana, your Ethereum, your Bitcoin, your XRP or any other meme coin in double. Okay, so that's the second step and the second reward which you are offering. But trust me one thing, you have to wait for the third reward because that is going to be the best than the first and then the second. Now what is best than offering a crypto asset at a free of cost? Because third reward is gonna be your jackpot. And the jackpot is for everybody, but also with a little hint of luck. Now, let's understand the third task first. And then I'll tell you what jackpot are you going to receive at the third step, basically. Okay, what is that jackpot which you're going to receive on the third step? First thing, third step is to deposit and make a capital amount for you to do trading. You came here for what? Crypto trading. How you are going to get your crypto asset in your hand? Like how other people gets profit and blah blah thing. They just watch the market like this and they get profit? No, they trade, right? So for trading, you need a capital you need money to trade, obviously. So that capital is your third step, to make a capital, to deposit money into your capital, and that should be either $10 or more than that. Now, all my Indian people, you spend more than that $10 money in everyday scenario. Okay, $10 is nothing other than 900 INR. That's it. 900 rupees. That's all. It's not a very huge big deal. It's not very cheap. It's somewhere in between. Like your LITs are expensive than the $10. The clubbing entry fees is expensive than $10. The Nike shoes you are wearing is expensive than $10. The place where you visit and you feel like, okay, this is the ramen, this is the hot pot I want to eat, is expensive than $10. Whichever movie, if 4 to 5 people go together, that 4 to 5 people together, ticket money is expensive than the $10. Okay, so don't consider, oh my god, he's asking for the dollar, this is so expensive. It's just 900 INR. Okay, get your eye opened. We are not a very weak country. We also have a strong fundamentals. Okay, $10 is nothing other than 900 rupees, which you have to deposit in your capital, and that from that capital, once we see that you have deposited $10, you are gonna get, boom, the jackpot. Now what this jackpot is? What is this jackpot? What is this jackpot? This jackpot is a chance. Like I told you, it's a little hint of with luck. Now what this luck, where you need this luck? We are giving you a very best opportunity to either make your quantity 5 times more or 100 times more. You are gonna get a surprise multiplier which is gonna be from either 5x to 100x. Maybe you can get 10x, 20x, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 100. Anything is a possibility between it. Anything is an absolute magic in it. Like the quantity which you are having can get multiplied by that surprise multiplier. It can become extra. Like for example, let's just say 0.1 multiplied by 100. It can become, I don't know the maths, but it can become a lot. Okay, I don't know the maths. Sorry for that, but I don't know the maths. You have an opportunity in a third step that you can make your whatever crypto asset you are getting, anything, possibility from the 8 coins, you can make it 5 times, 10 times, 80 times, 60 times, 100 times bigger, 100 times more, which will give you 100 times better profit, 100 times better money, and there is no condition on it that you are just here, you can just have it in your wallet, you can't do anything. No. Digital currency offers you what? Freedom. Freedom offers you what? Free will. Now you have a free will. You want to sell it? Sell. You want to buy more? Buy. You want to convert it? Convert. You want to do anything? Do anything. Why do I care? It's your thing. Simple. Now, is that digital currency still in your wallet? No. Why? Because the last step is still remaining. What is that last step? I told you the only one condition in our platform is that you have to take a trade in our platform. That's all. You have to take a trade in our platform. You created account, KYC verified, you deposited the capital amount. Now the only thing left is to take a trade. Now let's go to take a trade. I will show you how can you take a trade and what kind of trade you can have. Okay, I'm gonna go for sell over here just for a minute. I took a trade. See, that's it. I took a trade. I'm waiting for it to, like, if you can start a countdown, you can start a countdown as well. Okay, how much time I'm taking for taking a trade and blah 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 stuff. Okay, my finger on the close position. Didn't even thought should I go for this. I saw profit, exit. That's all. It didn't even took me 1 minute. Didn't even took me 1 minute. I took a trade, got little amount of profit, exit. Nobody is asking you to have a huge amount of profit and then only you can exit. That is your behavior. For a sake of completing a task, you can actually just do the same exact thing which I did right now. That's all. Doesn't matter Your goal should not be the trade profit. Your goal should be getting that first ever crypto asset into your wallet, into your into your wallet. Okay, which can either get multiplied by 5 times more, 10 times more, 20 times more. Now you want to hold it for a longer future return, you can. You want to trade it, you can. You want to convert it, you can. You want to sell it, you can. Getting that crypto asset should be the first goal of yours rather than focusing on the trade. And I just showed you, I entered in the market and I exit the market like a finger snap. I didn't wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, nothing. I didn't even saw the market, what structure it is making, what fundamental it is having, nothing. Nothing I saw. Just saw one candle, and I know in one candle there are two movements which is gonna happen in absolute. Either the candle is gonna give some buyings or some sellings. That frequent movements like little going tick up, tick down, tick up, tick down. I know that movement is gonna come. And I don't care if the market is in a downtrend, uptrend or something. I just went and did that trade on that tick. A little push up from the buyers and a little push down from the seller. That's all. You can take your first trade and boom, you have your first ever crypto asset into your wallet like this. It's so simple, so easy. Anybody can do it. Later on, like the final goal which you receive, like crypto asset has entered in your wallet. Crypto asset has entered in your account. That's it. Now, who is telling you to take a second trade in just that day, in just that week, in just that month? Nobody. Now, if you want to come to the live stream, learn regarding the trading, learn regarding this, learn regarding that, blah, 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 blah stuff, come, learn, go. And then take a trade. Easiest stuff. Easy. Nothing was hard over here. Such a simple stuff. Such a simple stuff. Okay. Now, on in this live stream, I teach everything. Everything regarding the market. Everything, each and everything. From 2 to 3 days, there are not such great news happening in the market, and so that you can also see. From the last time we discussed the market was for this movement, why this movement happened, and after that we saw no news, nothing is very like interesting, intriguing happening or tempting happening in the market. So that's the reason we are having a sideways market. Nothing is happening in the market. We are just going in a sideways market, sideways. Maybe after some very interesting thing, some inflows from these people, maybe we see some very good movement. But right now time, there are no news. There is nothing. The market is just silent and not doing anything. That's why we are resulting into just retailers being in the market. No other people is there in the market. No institutional people are investing right now. No nothing. Plain simple market. Ethereum is pumping a lot. All-time highs reached. New all-time highs reached. That's nice. And bullish pennant chart pattern also I can see over here. I'll just come in 1 minute. This is a bullish pennant chart. The pole, the rectangle flag, and the breakout. Which we saw in a market which made another new all-time high. That's good. Are we about to see some new all-time high of Solana? I feel that. Why? Because cup pattern is already been made. Maybe a handle will made over here, and then we can have a very good breakout from here. Not this polyline. Okay. This is our cup round bottom pattern, round top, whatever you want to call it. It is that making, because see, it is one pattern. If if we see one flag over here as well, any flag, bullish, bearish, doesn't matter. If we see some flag over here, then we can go for a buy entry from this side, and it will be a huge, it can become a new all-time high for us as well. Our top target, we can keep it at this point, but if it makes more, like, it can go up more as well. Okay, this will be our target number 1 week, where we can take our 50% profit out from the market, and 50 we can let it be there for gambling, because it's an all-time high opportunity as well. This chart pattern is not very like everyday coming chart pattern. Okay, it's not an everyday coming chart pattern, so we have to make sure that we are looking at the market now. And I will show you as well cup and handle chart pattern. See, this is what it looks like. Came down, consolidated, went up. Now this may happen, like an handle may happen. Okay, if handle happens, then it's cup and handle. But if it's not a cup and handle, then it is just this called as bottom, double bottom, rounding bottom, then it is just this. If an handle is not made, then it is just this. You can see came down, restricted, went up, and from there we can see a breakout. Rounding bottom pattern. This same can happen for an top as well. This same can happen in the top, but right now we are noticing a rounding top. A downtrend came. After that downtrend, little tried to go up. Now it is exactly making that shape. Exactly a shape. Now it just depend on this scenario. Like right now scenario, if it is gonna make that handle over here or no handle and straight from our neckline, is it gonna give us a breakout? That we have to focus in Solana right now. I will again show you this one very specific thing. Okay. Let's make it such color which is very visible. Also the thickness. Okay. And this is our neckline. Okay. Rounding bottom is forming in 1 hour of Solana. 1 hour. Okay. This situation will come handy in this scenario. If the market makes a rectangle, it will be something like if it makes a handle, it will be something like market falling down for a little while into this one very specific zone. Okay, after that we can see from here if handle is made. Okay, condition it is, if handle is made, then we can see the market jumping from here. Our far most target will keep is the top, because from this exactly point or this is a lot of selling has happened. Okay, so we'll keep that thing as our stop target. Either first is this and second is this. Okay, this will be our two targets. But what we have to do, we have to wait for a breakout to happen over here. A breakout should happen either for upside or for the downside. Downside breakout happens, it should be a handle. If it's not handle, then we'll wait. Okay, potential fake breakout is also possible. Market will try to go up, dip it a little, and from there it will go up, because till where it can dip, now till here it can dip. This is the point where it can dip. Like for example, market may go over here, can fall down, come to this point, our fair value gap, and then from here again it can reach our target. That is a possibility. I have told you a lot of time, main target is this. This is gonna be tapped for sure, but how it is gonna tap, what way it is gonna pick, that is unsure. That is unsure in the market right now. Okay, so this is for Solana. It's a very clear chart pattern we can see, very clear. Possibility one, I told you, the market may go out, do a fake breakout, come down from this fair value gap, it will tap in and go to our target, or it can make a registering platform as well, where it will try to give something flag kind of pattern, and then we can see a breakout from here. Okay, these are the two options which Solana has right now, and I really believe that it is indicating a buy zone over here. Like, we should do buying rather than selling. We should go for buying from this point to this point. How much target we will achieve? Not that much. 2% of target we can achieve. Okay, 2% of target easily will be achieved from the market, easily, very easily. This is from Solana. Fair value gap. Breakout entry we have to do. I wanna see what is it making in little 30 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's go for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you can clearly see a bullish flag is about to. It's like starting to make an handle in 5 minutes, not in 1 hour. Came down, going up, came down, going up, came down. This is an handle started to make already in the market. But let's still see, because 5-minute chart pattern is not trustworthy. Okay, do not trust the chart pattern which is like just 5 minutes. At least 30, 1 hour, 45 minutes, that kind of chart pattern you can trust very, very easily, and it can give you a meaningful trend as well. Okay, this is the first thing which we see. Exactly from the fair value gap, we have taken a push up from the market. Let's go on little higher time frame. In a day, and can we find a trend? Can Can we find a trade? Sorry, not trend. Can we find a trade? It's a good trade, good value also we will get from here, but still we have to be this is just for us. This, let's see what is happening in Ethereum. I want to start with a day. What we can see in a day time frame. Day time frame is straight up, but it's not creating any fair value gap in day time frame. Okay, no fair value gaps in day time frame. What's happening in 4 hours? In 4 hours we can see a bullish pennant. This was a bullish pennant pattern. From there we got a breakout. Nice. Not just one, not just two. A lot of bullish pennant we can see. Right now formation is none. Three hours we can see more clear bullish pennant, more clear. Let's see for 1 hour what we can find in 1 hour. That's too below. We are right now over here. I have to find something for right now situation. Very small bullish pennant, and then we got a markup in 1 hour. But what about what double top pattern didn't go through, gave a breakdown, and then we had this. Meanwhile, we created another bullish pennant over here. This is another bullish pennant pattern. From exactly over here, we got a breakout and went up. How much was the breakout value? 1.14% was the breakdown value. Again, we are coming down. Can market collapse? That's what I want to do. Can market collapse? One great fair value gap is sitting here. So if market has a downward trend, we can go for one is this. Another one is very similar at this level itself. Like you can just make like this and then this. This is the recent one. A small market may fall, tap into this and can go up again, maybe. Again, that's a maybe situation, because once the market hits this all-time high, there is no idea what gonna happen, because we don't have a clear. We can find the where market can fall, but we cannot determine that this would be the next target of the market, because anything from here, this is all-time high. Okay, right now period. Above there is nothing. We don't know till where the market can go. We don't know anything because nothing happened previously. What we do is we just predict, like, okay, till here the market reached previously, this is a very good supply zone. Till here our target can be there. We have a surety that maybe till here it can reach. Now, once the market makes an all-time high, if it's gonna go up, if it's gonna go down, we can suspect, because we can see fair value gaps, we can see demand zones downstairs where the market may can reach and blah. But after reaching all-time high, going for buy situation is very tough. Is very, very, very tough, because we don't know what is our target. No idea for the target, no idea for the supply zone, no idea what is gonna happen the next dollar itself. Right now we are at 3712 we are. I don't even know what is gonna happen at 3715. If the market goes $2 up, I don't know if it's gonna fall from there or not. See, it went. It's an all-time high. It's better in the all-time high situation. What you do is, if some patterns like this are forming, then we can go. Right now it's just making a pole, which I can see. If I have to see any pattern over here, is right now just making a pole. I can see one pole over here. That's all I can see, one pole. But I have to wait for some pattern to form over here so that I can predict what is going to happen. I cannot just enter, because see, big candles are forming. Now that is enough for you. No. We cannot trust these big players. When they will change the sides, no idea. You have no idea when are they going to change the sides. Maybe in the lower to lower time frame, we may start seeing something, some chart pattern in right now time period, something at least. Nothing I can see, nothing. I mean, fair value gaps are not fair value gaps. Come on. Okay. I think it started to make handle. I think it started to make an handle. In Solana, we see it has started to make an handle, I feel. Something like this it will make. Because it has fair value gap all the time. From this point to this point, it has a fair value gap so that he can jump all the time. Okay, this is 15 minutes. In 1 hour, we can see a very clear fair value gap over here. Okay. Not in 1 hour, but in 15 minutes, we have started to see a little glimpse of the market to make a bullish flag pattern. A little glimpse, not that too much, not less, little. Bitcoin on the other hand. Right now market is respecting this fair value gap. Okay, right now period of time if I talk about, right now this is our fair value gap which has been respected a lot in the market. Came down, tap in, try to go up, came down, try to go up, came down, again is trying to go up, and from there we have seen a little rejection already. Okay, so this is the fair value gap which is working for us right now period of time. In 1 hour, but not sure. Current has huge thing. Supply zone in the market. Not very sure, but doesn't it look like a bullish pennant chart pattern? Kind of. If I remove everything, let me just remove everything. Doesn't have that very accurate shape, but a little, very little, but still kind of. And that is in a day time frame. Okay, and I have told you how much strong a day time frame chart pattern is. Here we saw the bullish flag, and you saw what kind of profit it gave you, created an all-time high. Now there is like it's not very accurate. I'm not saying that it is an accurate. I was sure about the bullish flag pattern because it was very accurate one, but in a day time frame, kind of, very kind of rough bullish pattern, bullish pennant is visible. Rough, very rough. Let's go for 1 week. In 1 week, though, you can find nothing. In 1 week, it was a clear bullish flag, but nothing for this. Very rough, very rough. Cannot consider it as a bullish pennant, but still feels like a bullish pennant. In 4 hours, it's more quite visible as a bullish pennant in 4 hours. Okay, but very big one, can have a big outcome as well. Straight downfall of the market. Three main triangle patterns. Okay, sloppy down, slopping up, flat, sloping, symmetrical, neutral, can break out on either side. Why I'm feeling like this is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern and can give us breakout anywhere. Anywhere it can give us. It is sloping down as well and it is going up as well. It is in a 4-hour chart, it feels like. Okay, in 4-hour chart we can see a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, a symmetrical one, symmetrical. It is a neutral chart pattern, either neutral, can break out on either side. Either we can have a downfall as well or either we can have upside as well. I want to see some real life examples so that I can understand some things. I don't know, but I feel we are going to have a massive downfall of the market because of two things. Not one, two things. First is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern. I'll give my reasons for all of you why I really believe this thing. First is symmetrical triangle chart pattern. First, okay, in that symmetrical chart pattern, you are also visible. You can see a bearish pennant as well. We have created a pole. This is falling down. Resistance is going down, and support, as you can clearly see, support is going up. Two things you can see at the same time. Symmetrical chart pattern. In that symmetrical chart pattern, we can see a bearish pennant as well. Two things suggesting, because symmetrical chart pattern is a neutral, but in that it is giving us some little confirmation that I am becoming a bearish chart pattern. We are able to see a very huge pole and that fly. If I just remove this thing for a little while, let's talk about just this. If I just remove this thing, that's the basically the pole which we can see. That's the pole which we can see, and from that place we can see resistance is gradually falling down, following one trend line, one specific, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. Resistance is acting, and at the same point we can also see that support is also going up. What doesn't it look exactly like a bullish pennant? Sorry, bearish. Falling trend line support, and the breakout. Not that far, but also very close to give us a breakout. Maybe it's market indicating us that it is gonna fall very soon and very huge. This is the first thing, a bearish pennant. Secondly, if you go by an overall big picture I'm talking about, you can also see at the same time a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, which is a neutral chart pattern. Neutral. It can give us breakout anywhere, up, down, doesn't matter. But on the addition of that, we are getting confirmation with a bearish pennant. I'll make it little thick. Asymmetrical bearish pennant. Mhm. I really think that market can fall. One 1.5. First target, I can keep it this, because this is a swing, and at that bottom there will be a lot of stop loss for it to capture and get liquidated and have a huge money from this point. But also it is forming in higher to higher time frame. Just falling 2% won't make a sense. And below that, if it breaks this, there is no support as well. No support. One local support it can take at 113. One local support can happen at this point. Local support. Two choices. If it gives a breakout, first tap, second tap, because if it's forming in higher time frame, it doesn't make sense that it is just giving us 2% profit. No, really believe that it is gonna be more than 2%, maybe till here 3.5 market can fall. Is it going to happen today? Is it going to happen tomorrow? Is it when it is going to happen? No idea. No idea about it. Two point seven. 2 point this. Usually it gives breakout like 2% to market will give breakout usually. It's a green fair value gap. Support. I'll take a small break and I'll come back. I'm taking just a 15 to 20 minute break and I'll come back soon. Okay. In right now time, we cannot do anything in Bitcoin. Cannot do anything until unless this gives us any breakout. We cannot do anything in Bitcoin in right now period of time. Okay. In a very huge aspect, symmetrical triangle which is neutral can give us breakout upward as well, downward as well, doesn't matter. And in a smaller aspect, we can also see one bearish pennant in the market. In 1 hour time frame, we can also see a bearish pennant which can also give us breakout anywhere. We don't know where it can give us breakout. It can give us above, down. No, it will give bearish pennant, can give breakout downward. So that's why I made one fair value gap over here which was respected in our time frame. Okay, and heavy fall came and it took a support over there. So our target should be this. If it goes from breakout, our downfall happens, our target can be this. Very easy achievable target is this. Okay. Let's see if Ethereum is giving any movement or not. Ethereum is very close to make another bullish pennant. Very close to make. If I go and see the 30-minute time frame, this is our bullish pennant which is visible. Let's go on 15-minute to see it more accurately. Maybe we can see another push from the market and it can go up to, let's say it can go up to 4,000. Okay, a 4-hour rally, 4,000 rally push we can see, because we have already spotted two things. One bullish pennant was this which gave us a rally up to here, and another it is forming which can give us rally I don't know where. Okay, but Ethereum is telling us to do a bullish side, move for a bullish side. Okay, two bullish pennant we can see in the market. Two, this was previous one and this is the current one. Same pole, same resistance falling, support rising, same bullish pennant, but for positive side. Breakout will happen somewhere over here and then we can go in the market for upward movement. And as it's an all-time high, we cannot predict from where the market can take its market, like where we can start falling. Like we never know, because it's the all-time high. Everything can happen, is new. From here, breakout, I don't know where it can go. No idea where it can touch, where it can go. No idea about it. But breakout can happen. Okay. This is what in 1 hour time frame is forming very slow, very slow. See, 3 candle and straight up. 1, 2, 3. Now it's just 2 candle. Let's wait for one more candle in our 1 hour time frame and then we can have a breakout which went like 2% breakout. So maybe we can expect a 2% breakout from there. Let's say what is a 2% breakout. Okay. 3788. Or we can go for 3800. Okay. Right now it is 3788, 2%, but it's just $22 more, and we can go to 3,800 for Ethereum. So maybe next target for Ethereum can be 3,800. But let's see. Bullish pennant we can see very accurately, but breakout is what we should see. And Solana, I feel Solana will make an handle as well. If it's going for this, then Solana can make an handle. Very easily Solana can start making a handle from here, because it should have given us a breakout till right now point, but it didn't give us. So yeah, we may see Solana can give us handle. So all this Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, they're right now what they're doing, they're forming one pattern. What we need to do is wait for that pattern to give us a breakout. That's what we should wait for. Wait for a pattern to give a breakout. We are able to see patterns everywhere. In Solana some different, in Ethereum some different, and in Bitcoin some different. Ethereum is suggesting, as compared to Bitcoin and Solana, Ethereum is 3% up. All-time high is achieved, right? So 3% up it is. Another all-time high rally it is. I hope this is just one pit stop for Ethereum, I feel. Just one pit stop. Went up, bullish pattern, another went up, another bullish pennant pattern is forming. Another rally we can see from the Ethereum very easily. So a rally for what? I feel rally for 4,000 we can see for Solana. Rally for 4,000. Or another local support it can take up to 3,800. So let's see for Ethereum. Ethereum is telling us to do buy. I will write it here. Ethereum suggesting a buy or bullish. Ethereum suggests a bullish move. Why? Number one, continuous chart pattern we can spot. Number two, under making bullish pennant. One is already made, second one is about to be made. Like it's in between of making it. Wait for recent bullish pennant breakout. Ethereum suggestion, I'll give you. Ethereum suggests a bullish move. First, continuous chart pattern we can see. This is first bullish pennant. We got a breakout over here and we achieved our target. From here, another bullish pennant we can see. Continuous chart patterns suggesting a rally of market, suggesting a market to have a rally. Okay, so what we are gonna do here, wait for breakout. Wait for breakout. After breakout, we may can enter in the market. But right now time, we have to wait for breakout. That's all we can do right now. Wait for breakout. Okay, this is Ethereum. Same way which we saw this. See, this upgrowth which we saw from like stop to stop. Same bullish pennant we saw. Bullish pennant, again bullish flag, and then again bullish pennant. A rally of continuous chart patterns. Rally, a complete rally it is. Okay. So this is what I am suggesting for maybe Ethereum right now. First bullish pennant, breakout happened, straight went up. Then another small bullish pennant, breakout happened, straight went up. Then we saw bullish flag, breakout happened, straight went up. Then we saw another bullish pennant. This breakout happened, straight went up. So this is the rally of continuous chart pattern, continuing again and again and again and again. Takes a local support, makes a chart pattern over there and goes up. Same thing I am suggesting right now for Ethereum. Ethereum is about to make maybe a rally. First pattern already made, second pattern already been made. Wait for breakout to let it go up. Rally of new all-time high can come for changing the market position from 3000 to 4000, like it was suggested by the experts. Like Ethereum can go for 4000 very easily. Institutional people are diving in Ethereum at right now point. Okay, so this is Ethereum. Wait for this pattern. Same thing what happened in the bullish, continuous pattern to pattern to pattern to pattern. Solana, I would suggest same. I'm thinking Solana is having a, I don't know. Solana is very that thing, like corporate people entering over here is little dicey. For entering a corporate people, it is little dicey. Doesn't feel that good. But still we have a hope. After the neckline, it tried to give us a breakout. Couldn't control. There is no majority right now. Fall down, make a handle pattern over here as well. Cup and handle, and after that we can get a breakout. As it's not an all-time high, so we know this can be our absolute targets in the market, 1 and 2. Because we have a lot of local supports downstairs. First fair value gap, second fair value gap, third fair value gap. We have a lot of fair value gap down, which is actually completely supporting the market. See, this is first, this is second. FVGs I'm drawing, okay, FVGs, just simple fair value gaps I'm drawing. This is also one of those. This is a huge one, right? So you can see for downside, if the market falls, we have such a great fielding for the sellers to change the trend, because we have a lot of fair value gaps downstairs, a lot of big players entries are downstairs with a lot of chance of having a limit order being put there. So that's what I'm thinking, that more and more we are having a bullish fight over here. And also this is a rounding bottom pattern, which also suggests us what? A upward movement, a bullish movement. If you don't believe me, if you think that I'm just drawing it for no reasons, this bullish pattern, this fair value gaps, I'm just gonna go and tap in an indicator called as fair value gap, Lux Algo. Click on that. That's all. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Downstairs we have a lot. In here we have exactly the place where I have made this. If I take out this, you can see a fair value gap block been formed here. That's where I've already made my fair value gap. Okay. Why he didn't show this one? This is a very huge fair value gap. So there are a lot of fair value gaps for us to have a support on, suggesting a upward movement. Suggesting an upward movement. A possible term of forming an candle, this and handle. So let me just write Solana suggest bullish move. Suggest a bullish move. First we are having an all-time high. That means institutional money is coming to Solana, but not in that quantity, a little by little. Okay. So I'm going to ignore right now, for right now period, I'm going to ignore the this thing, institutional money, because that is not my first concern. My first concern is rounding bottom pattern is already formed, but it didn't give us breakout, can give us breakout. So waiting for cup and handle pattern. Possible cup and handle pattern is about to form, which is right here. Cup is already been made and we can see a small handle forming over here. Okay. This is a possible thing which we can see. Possible. After a breakout we can go up. This is one, and cup and handle pattern can possibly form. Wait for formation. Other than that, lots of FEGs, suggesting high chance of limit order to get placed. Any of those fair value can have any limit order. Now we don't know which limit or which fair value gap has which limit order. Okay, Don't know regarding that, but anybody? We have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Downstairs also we have a lot to support. So falling is not an option. Falling is not an option because we have so many things to support right now. Going up is what I feel because of the pattern which is forming. Failed to give us a breakout. That is totally fine. That is the most common thing we see. That's the most common thing we see. Chart pattern, straight breakout is the most common thing. The fake breakout is the most common thing we see, which is not my concern. This is what I feel from Solana. Suggest a bullish movement. Ethereum, same. Suggest a bullish movement. The only one thing which is not suggesting me a bullish movement is Bitcoin, because you can also see it is just falling down, telling me that a very huge bullish pennant is about to come. In 1 hour time frame we can see it very clearly. If I go for higher to higher time frame, 4 hours, same, a very straight bearish pennant I can see over here. Bearish pennant. Resistance is falling, support is rising, bearish pennant I can see in the market, and below that a very good fair value gap, very good, very huge fair value gap also we can see. BTC, suggest a short term downfall. According to me, BTC suggests a short term downfall. Two big reasons. One, large symmetrical triangle. First, which is a neutral, it can give us anywhere, but why I'm feeling that it is gonna go downfall, because me suggesting with second pattern, bearish pennant forming. Bearish pennant is forming. That's my suggestion. First, a very large symmetrical chart pattern. You can see this is okay. I will denote for all of you. This is a very large symmetrical pattern, and this one down one, this with a very huge blocks. This is our bullish pennant. Bearish. Why I say bullish all the time? Bearish. This is our bearish pennant. All we can do right now is watch a market. I want to see RSI suggestions. RSI suggestion is very necessary for me. It's always makes something difficult situations. Now RSI is saying that this is the top from here it is a little diversion for upside, very little, not very great diversion, but still a diversion. In here we can see falling, price is falling, but in here we see a strength is little rising. RSI suggests something different. Why market is creating so many confusion? RSI suggests that it is a diversion. Market can go up, but everything is saying us that it is a bearish pennant. Market can fall. Nothing in Ethereum. Same, nothing in Solana as well. Only BTC is having such problems. Let's observe the market a little. The best thing we can do is let's observe the market a little. That can solve all of our problems so that we can take a trade. Let's observe a market. What happens in the market in the next 1 hour? RSI should not have suggested me this. Yeah, this is very wrong that RSI suggested that it is gonna go for the diversion. Now it's creating 2 to 3 different confusions in the head. Whole chart pattern is saying, because see, symmetrical triangle becomes a neutral. I was sure about it because bearish pennant I spotted. Short term downfall though I am expecting from market here. Come on. That much I can expect in the market. Let's watch the market. A little downfall of the Bitcoin has started. See, we can see the exact trend line I made. The exact trend line I made, it is having that pattern inside now. A bullish flag. Handle is about to be made. Handle will be made. Till now, no changes. Till now, no changes. But I want to keep an eye on Ethereum. Ethereum is trying to change a little. Not that much, but a little. We are watching the market in the side, okay? Waiting for the breakout. Let's battle. No breakouts. Double witch. A small thing. Let's go for this. Okay. Sit. Arey! Why he killed that? Why he killed that? Okay, sure, might on this as well. अरे यार. Get it fast. Come on, jump. But he has that. So I have to make sure I land the perfect. Have to make sure I land perfect. Yeah, come on. 1 and 2 and 3. Let's go. Let's go. Best way to deal with it is this. 2 I will have fast and easy. Then I'll have this. Okay, let's go. Wow. Let's go. First win. Let's go. First win. We'll wait for this candle to close. We want to see where the candle closes. Let's take this. Inferno, lightning, princess, dark ghost valk. I wore black today, so I'll go for dark. My nigga. Okay. Let's go for this. Let's go. Aha! Let's go. Opposite lane, because I got this covered already. But what is it gonna do? Nothing. Nothing it can do. Wizard in the back because I want to cycle it. Market still looks good. Market still looks good. Got afraid, right? Got afraid. Okay, cool, baby, cool. Kill it, easy. We are seeing a breakout, but don't trust this one. I will go for 1 minute. What can happen? Magic. 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 Showtime. And I give it to him. Just पूरा just लिया है. In the absolute back. In the absolute. In the absolute back. In the absolute. Okay. Still in the game. I wanna take that only. Only. I wanna take that thing only. Let's go for 2 wizards. And this over here, this thing over here. Let's go! Second game. Let's go, second game. Second game is also R. Let's buy a little dip. And let's go for a little short. Two risk reward ratio. Let's go for. Let the market come to little dip and we'll go for buy situation over here. A little dip will come. Something new. Well played. Oops. Good luck. Poison. Fine by me. अरे यार. It's like kind of gone only. I don't even have to do anything. Let's go. An absolute cinema. Absolute. Battle healer in the back. Wow. 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 Wow, bro. Wow. 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 Okay. Double helix. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. Oops. Wow. Ti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti. Rocket. Oh, nice. अरे रुक जा यार. It's very fast. Very, very, very fast. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Let's go. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Straight attacks. Rocket. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Minor game. Let's have this like very cheap deck, like very less elixir. Ariyar minor and poison would have been better. Shit. Fine. Very less elixir deck. Fine. Let's go. Haha. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, this was the best way. Best way. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow, that was actually very nice. That is actually very, very nice. I will really appreciate that thing. That was really an absolute cinema. Good game. Good game. I will get my chance. I got my chance. But not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. I guess first lost, but I won't let it happen. But I don't have that much time. I'm just going for a fence. That is not good. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fast, 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 fast. Something. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Give me something. 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 Okay. Let's go. I know he would do this. I knew it. I knew it. Have to save it, save it, save it for the next turn. Oh, no. Fine. Fine by me. We are about to achieve a target. Guys, told you, entry, target, don't forget. First win of that guy. First win. First win of that guy. Easy 2x, easy 2x we will get, easy. See, is jumping. I told you wait for breakout. It's happening. Wait for breakout. The breakout is happening. Oh, wow. Electro tweet. But fast, 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 fast. Fast, very fast, 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 huh? I got a push. What here? What you doing, bro? Okay. This is good. This is good. Let's go. One push, brother. One push, brother. We achieved a target and we are achieving more. See, such a huge breakout we got. Thank God we were watching Ethereum. Exactly from that breakout, such a good movement we got. Nice. Today is a nice day. That's why I decided to do trading today, not anything else. See, it can go more up. Okay, keep on having it. From other time, maybe another chart pattern will form over here. Good breakout. Wait for breakout. You got the breakout. See, exactly like I said. Wait for the recent bullish pennant breakout. We got that breakout and we are having a profit. Nice. The Black Scott. Firecracker I want to play. It's been a long time I haven't played Firecracker. This. Let's go. Last game. Come on. It's fine. Overspent. Wow. Where is? That's good. It's so easy game. Yeah. Like one. let's. Oh, he left. It's fine. So, like I said, I predicted very nicely bearish bullish pennant breakout, very good movement upstairs. We got our profit from here, and that's it, my time as well. I gave you profit and I'm now going. So thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being the part of this zbit.com, and thank you so much for coming here every day. But I want you to subscribe to all of our channels, our Insta, our Telegram and everything. So please make sure, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so thank you so much for joining this live stream. I'll see you tomorrow, same time.